Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be teaching you how to make plantain rolls. It's very easy. I'll be teaching you how to do this from scratch in this video, so you want to watch this from beginning till the end without skipping because every part is important. The first thing I'll do is to measure out my flour, and I'll be getting just 2 cups of my flour. Next I'll be adding in my salt. I'll go ahead and mix. All ingredients will be listed in this particular video, so you want to keep watching because I will display it as the video progresses. Next I'm going to add baking powder, and this is just to help my dough rise a little bit. I'll go ahead and add vegetable oil to this. If you have your butter, you can add it at this point. Next, I'm going to mix. At this point, I'll use my hand so that I mix everything very well because the oil and the flour need to come together to make a very good dough at the end of the day. So I'll gradually add in my water. Just keep watching, okay? I'll gradually add in until I get a texture that will be suitable for what I'm about to do. I'll go ahead and knead this for some time, and then I'm going to wrap it up, allow it to rest for about 10 minutes. Now set this aside and attend to my plantain. So I'll be using 4 plantains for this. You want to watch me and watch everything I'll be doing at this particular stage. Very important. So first off, I'll get clean water to wash my plantains. This is very important, okay? So no step in this particular video, no step in the whole process should be skipped. You have to do it the way that I am doing it. The only thing you can skip is this part where I had to cut my plantains. As you can see, this is how I'm going to cook mine. So if you want, you can actually peel off the skin, okay? The peel, you can peel it off if that is what you want. But this is how I'm going to cook my plantain. Next, I'm going to add water and salt, and I'll allow this cook. Now, this is not going to cook for too long because I wouldn't want my plantain too soft. I'm still going to fry this, okay? Just watch the whole process. So after cooking, this is what I have. I'll go ahead and take off the skin, and then we'll move to the next stage. Just keep watching, do not skip. At this point, I'm going to roll out my dough. You want to watch me do it, okay? Now, I'm not going to roll it out too thin. I'm going to do something that is not too thin and not too thick. Okay, so this is just going to be in between, not too thick, not too thin. After rolling, I'll go ahead and cut into my desired sizes. You want to watch this. Now, I'm not going to bake this, but at the end of the day, it will look like something that was baked. Keep watching, do not skip. You guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and do that. Click on that subscribe button and be part of this amazing family. Also, turn on your post notification bell so that anytime I post videos on this channel, you'll be the first person to get notified. Also, feel free to like this video so that it will go viral. And also, do not forget to share this video with your friends and the family. Keep watching. So after wrapping my plantain, I'll go ahead and fry. And then after frying, I have these beauties sitting right here. Amazing. And the interesting part is that this does not just look beautiful, this also tastes amazing. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this helps. Go ahead and like this video, and of course I will see you in my next video.